playing, Dexter.
Yo, YouTube. It's your girl, Leah. And I'm here with my first ever YouTube video. So from the title, you can tell that I am doing this.
No, 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 no.
Oh no. This mess here, I'm doing a Flexi Rod Set my way. I don't know if it's the right way, but I'm doing my way, how I do it, so it can be slayed. Sorry about my face. You know, this how it looked before the slay. Hold on. No, I can't get this right. Like, this is just how I am. I can't. These are my essential things that I use for doing this Flexi Rod set. So obviously you need Flexi Rods. I have a whole bunch of them. And most of the time I do use all of them because I'd rather have like them be tighter. And then I got this here. It's a detangling comb / brush. It's actually pretty nice. It's easy detangling, you can see. Gonna need a spray bottle if your hair is not already wet. Like mine's dry. I had it in a ponytail for a day. But like most of the time I do this after I wash my hair. But I mean, I washed my hair a day ago, but obviously it's dry now. But this is to get it wet. This Cantu Avocado Gel. Yes. Oh, I forgot about this. My Mousse. The Creme of Nature Argan oil mousse. I do have another styling custard that I use. Actually, I am gonna go get that. Hold on. So this is the custard that I was saying that I used the first time I actually did the Flexi Rod set. I used this and this, just these two, and then obviously my spray bottle. But I don't know, it came out cute, but it just seemed to like, it didn't bounce enough for me. Like, that's why I wanted to try to use this instead, but I might use both. It just depends on how I'm feeling, but I'm gonna try to just use this just to see how it looks. Yeah, that's about it. Those are the only things that I use, to be honest, and we're just gonna get into how I get this thing done. You feel me? Mind you, before I put this down, don't be coming in my head now. Don't be coming in my head, because not doing perms. I haven't had a perm in probably about a year and some months, and I'm trying not to do the perms. It's like my roots are really thick. Basically, we're gonna start off. I literally don't have my parts perfect or anything, because I don't know, I just think that it doesn't need to be perfect, because it's gonna be full and you're not gonna see it. So once I fluff it out and do the curls and stuff, it's not, you don't need it. So basically, I just pull out this amount of hair. I hope y'all can see this. Let's see. And out of this section, I probably would do one.
Stop playing, Dexter.
I'll probably do 3 out this section. Just like to use this brush sometimes, because it really gets all of it. You need to be somewhere in the morning. You doing your hair, your Flexi Rod set at night. You want to use probably not too much water. You don't want it to be soaking wet, because if it's soaking wet, then it needs a longer time to dry. I probably will keep my Flexi Rod set in like the whole day, because I don't have anywhere to go, which that means I can put a little more water. So basically, if you're going to be somewhere in the morning, you got to do less water. Just think about your time, okay? We're going to just spray it. So like that much. That was probably like, I guess 3 squirts. It's damp, but not soaking, So this is what you would stop at if you need to be somewhere in the morning. You got to have it dry. So, but I kind of want mine a little bit more wet. Because like I said, I don't have nowhere to go. For once. Normally I'll be at work all the time. But I'm going to use the Mousse. By the way, all this stuff, all these products, I just got it at my local beauty supply store. That's where I got all this stuff. Well, not the brushes, but all my hair product. I'm going to use the Cantu. I dip my one finger in. This is about the amount you want. And then kind of go like this. And we're going to work it in that root. Because my roots are thick, so I try to put a little more than normal product. So, boom. So, like this. I'm just working it in, make sure I get my root. Tangling brush again. Do it. Okay. So now I'm gonna grab one of my Flexi Rods. Normally I use I think these are like just an inch off. Like these ones just probably an inch off or even a half an inch off. So the smaller ones I do use in the back, but the rest of the Flexi Rods are just about this size. I just have my Flexi Rod and just make sure that end is tucked in because you don't want the end to be not curled. And so then I just twist up. Twist up until I feel it's like secure. Then I'll take it, bend it this way, bend it that way.
Stop playing, Dexter.
I kind of face it downward because that's the way I want my curl to fall down. I'll get your mousse. And this is about the size I use. This amount I use. And run it through. Make sure you get those ends too. Again. A finger worth. And which I probably could have used less on this one because it is a little smaller piece, but hey, I think the more the merrier. It ain't gonna hurt nothing. So, take the Flexi Rod, go all the way to the end. Wrap that tail around, not tail, but the end. Then go move on up. Until you feel like it's right up to your scalp. Then I like to turn it. Boom. Boom. Spritz, spritz, spritz. And water. Get nice and damp. Nice and damp, nice and damp. And then going to boom, boom. Get that mousse again. Bam. Boom, 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 boom. Work it through. Gonna get this again. Boom, boom. Look here too, again. So, Flexi Rod, boom. That's how you do it, right there. And it's nice and tighter, but I gotta redo this one in the back. Bam, bam. So I'm gonna give you a little look, how that looks. Okay. Actually, while I'm doing this, I might just tell y'all a little bit about myself. since this is my first YouTube video. So like I said, my name is Aaliyah. I will put down below my Instagram, Facebook, so y'all can follow me and see the world of Aaliyah, even though I don't do nothing but work. But it's cool. I live in Virginia with my boyfriend. His name's Dexter. Obviously, you can see him. That's Dexter, my baby. And I like to chill. And I'm always love chit-chatting with my best friends and whatnot. So I work at Aldi. I've been working there for almost 4 years. And I actually like it there. Well, at my location. I don't know about any other location, but my location, everybody's pretty cool. Don't have any kids yet. I know I know I need a cut, so don't y'all at me. I know I need a cut in my ends. I don't cut them because this is basically, I'm not even a hair person. I can't even do my own hair. Like, I can't braid or nothing. I can only do a Flexi Rod Set and straighten my hair. That's about it. I normally get my hair done because I ain't got time. My arms be hurting and everything. Honey, my arms be hurting. Bam. I know I be looking crazy, but my hair is thick. Honey, I ain't bald wear. So, can't like, this towel. Because my hands be having product all over it. Mousse in or not. Let me see. I'll just put a little bit more because I won't show. Actually, I lied to y'all. I don't know why I got these random couple ones that's this big. All the rest of them is this small. See, look. Look, these about the same. I lied. I be lying, y'all. What in the world? These must be for my mom's or something. Y'all, we're just gonna let it go. Ouch. I just hit myself in the eye. Oh, ouch. This one's a little wacky. Y'all, I be trying. I'm not the best, like I tell you. I just be doing it and somehow I come out cute. So I feel like this is taking me too long. I know people be probably finishing this so fast, but honey, I can't. I'm just trying to make sure I get everything thoroughly and fully. My arms hurt already. See, I only did 4. Y'all need to comment below how long y'all think this is gonna take me. On the verge of getting a perm. Cause when it's like situations like this, when I have like a couple days before I can get my hair done, honey, you gotta figure out something to do with your head because you can't be going to work looking crazy. I'm tired of ponytails. I'm tired. Like, I do the bun. Sometimes the bun be cute, but then the bun be getting old. So.
Stop playing, Dexter.
Ooh, that's good. Your hair gonna be full and hopefully bouncy because this Cantu, I'm relying on you. Don't disappoint. Don't disappoint because they're gonna be mad at you, not me. I hate it here. I just feel like when you go like this, it locks a little bit better. So I'm gonna turn around. Hopefully y'all don't see my goodies and stuff. Just how I'm looking so far. Y'all, I'm still here. Oh, Lord. I'm tired. But this is how I'm looking so far. But I'll show y'all. Okay, y'all. We made it. Woo, yeah. We got this last one. Okay. So I go on my head, you know. Man, it probably took me like, I'd say about 45 minutes to an hour. But I was watching YouTube videos. I was watching Humbly Hatched, my fam, you know. Y'all go check them out, they awesome. Okay, so first I got my little do-rag that I put over. I know it's not gonna fit, but it's cool. But for a little while, I'm going to actually have this off and let it legit air dry because I'm not going to sleep right now. Then it's my bonnet. It's huge. Just throw this mug on, just like so. Make sure all them jinks in there. And boom. Boom. Flexi Rod where? Oh. You know what I'm saying? So that's how I do my Flexi Rod set, and I definitely will be back to show y'all how I unravel it and everything. So I will see y'all in the morning. Good morning, y'all. So we're gonna see what we got going on up under here, okay? Okay, so I feel like they're dry. So I have my oil here, coconut milk, and I put this on my fingers as I unravel the curl. So we're gonna see how this, do this real fast. I'll show y'all, and then, so basically, boom. Okay. See the curls. This one coming out. See the curl. Pretty girl. Now I'm gonna do the rest of my head and show y'all the finished product with my makeup on with the slay, you know what I'm saying? So, okay, y'all ready for the reveal? Bam! Ooh, honey. But it's cute, y'all. It's cute, like a little style. But I have to say, I am a little disappointed with the Cantu. I feel like the Custard is definitely better. It holds the curl a lot better. Like as you can see, like some of the parts are a little frizzy. Unlike this, the curls are tighter, or staying at least, you know. But I want to show y'all this here holding spray. I do spray this on. I mean, I can't complain. I mean, other than the little pieces, you know, that I said, but it turned out pretty cool. Like, I can still go somewhere like this. And I just want to thank y'all for watching, and like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what other videos y'all would like. Okay? Thank you. Bye. Peace.
Stop playing, Dexter.